everybody. Okay, so we're back for another one of our weekly little videos here where we talk about something that's going on in the real estate market or something that might be important to you as a buyer or a seller. So today, kind of going along with this week's theme, we're going to talk about the top home renovations that people are looking for in the market right now. So you might not always want to sell your home, buy something new. You might just consider doing some upgrades to your home. However, I'm going to give you and offer you some suggestions of things that you could do now that might be better for you and your lifestyle now, and will also in the future help you to sell the house. So we always want to make sure that we're putting our dollars where they're going to be the most usable. So if you don't know me, my name is Katie. I am the owner and lead agent of the Living 48 real estate team, and I'm super excited to have you on this video. So let's jump right in. Okay, you guys, so again, like we talked about, you might not always want to buy or sell your home. Maybe you just want to do some updates. However, looking to the future, always looking to the future. We want to make sure that whatever we do, we're going to get the biggest bang for our buck. The return's going to be there, and it's actually going to help us sell the house rather than hurt us in the future. So recent studies, this is all recent studies, okay, have determined that there are five renovations that people are most excited about right now when they're looking to buy home. So first one, this one might actually catch you guys a little bit off guard. However, if you have driven through an older neighborhood, you'll understand why this one could be really important to you. So the first one on the list is a new garage door. Doesn't sound like the most sexy thing in the world, but hear me out here. A new garage door actually has a really, really good ROI, and it's a relatively easy upgrade. So regardless of how nice the rest of the house looks, if the garage door looks dated or dinged or in poor condition, or your kid backed into it or whatever, it really makes the rest of the house look run down as well. So average cost of a new garage door is somewhere in the $1,200 to $1,500 range. And it's been shown that the new garage door will actually add about another $2,500 worth of value, which means you're going to get somewhere around 125% ROI on that. So worth doing. Also, you know, makes the house look fresh and new and updated. So that's one. Okay. The next one on the list, no surprise here. If you guys have ever talked about renovating a house or anything like that, this one is not a surprise at all. And that is your owner's suite bathroom remodel. All right. Yes, we're looking for owner's suite, all that kind of stuff. Today, though, however, let me give you a couple of things that that the buyers are looking for. Maybe it fits your aesthetic, maybe it doesn't. But really, life is really stressful right now. So people are looking to their bathrooms as being some sort of a place to unwind, kind of a spa-like retreat, if you will. So today's home buyers are looking for something that's tranquil, luxurious, somewhere they can relax. So they're looking, believe it or not, a large soaking tub is a good thing. An upgraded walk-in shower is another great thing. If you're doing a remodel, you might as well add features like, you know, surround sound speakers in your bathroom. A steam shower is really nice, and your lights, put them on a dimmer. So even if you picked one or two of just those little elements and added that, that would be a huge upgrade as well to the bathroom. Okay. Number three. Now I got to throw in a little caveat here. We're in Arizona. I don't know that I truly believe that this is a big draw. Okay, it's always a nice thing in Arizona, but I don't know that I give it the same value that the article places on it. Okay, without further ado, number three is to add a fireplace to the house. So again, here in Arizona, typically in order to use a fireplace, you're going to open every door and every window on Christmas Day to make your house cold enough to make the fireplace mean anything to you. So is it? I don't know. I'll leave that up to you. How badly do you want a fireplace? I guess that's really the question. So it's a nice addition, but again, I'm not one that I would be like, oh, add that to your house today. Okay, but this next one, number four, I absolutely 100% support this. So between 2009 and 2019, okay, the number of people, and this is pre-pandemic, so you can only imagine what the numbers are now. Pre-pandemic, the number of people who worked from home increased 195%. That's, no, I lied, 159%. I lied, sorry. Inverted those numbers, 159%. Then the pandemic made it so that even more people came home, and now many of them are not ever going to return to offices or workspace. So a huge, huge boon remodel to you would be to convert or build yourself a home office. Okay, this is huge. Convert the bedroom, a den, garage space, whatever you can do to build that, you know, either school from home, flex space, study from home, flex space, work from home, flex space. That is going to be a boon. And it is on 70% of today's buyers' wish list. Okay. So consider that if that's a possibility in your home, in your floor plan. All right, number 5, the last one, again, a non-shocker. This one is a kitchen remodel. So people are looking for that updated kitchen. You just want to make sure matching appliances. If you have laminate countertops, go to non-laminate. Granites are really cheap nowadays, so look at that. You might look at increasing storage space, adding a pantry in if there is not really a great pantry space. Those are kind of the things. Now, what you don't want to do on a kitchen remodel is overdo it, okay? Be appropriate for the neighborhood, be appropriate for the price point of the house, be appropriate on all of that. So you don't have to put the highest end range and oven in your home. Like, let's just make them all match, make them all work, make them all look nice. Okay, so just don't over improve. If you have any questions on what over improving is or how that applies to your particular home, your particular neighborhood, that is something that you can definitely call in a great agent on, and they will have plenty of input for you on that. Okay, so that's our 5 top home renovations that today's buyers are looking for. If you're looking to put a little money into your home, maybe those are 5 great options for you. If you guys have any questions, you're looking to buy, sell, invest in Arizona real estate, you need remodel options, hey, I'm your girl. I'm here to be a resource for you. Let me know how I can best be of assistance to you. So you guys can reach me directly at 480-415-1341, and I will look forward to seeing you again on another one of our videos. Guys, have a great day. Bye.